यो अन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयति अखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्नः अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान् नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम्. Today all the morning prayers are like within this internal energy. The Lord manifests through his internal energy. Shri Guru also is in Sandhini Shakti, is a ray of, is the Sandhini Shakti descending. And Shri Harinam Prabhu gives the Siddha Deha. Sakhir Anugatya Seva happens in the internal energy. And it is the Sri Dhruva Vacha is about this internal energy being infused into him. So Sambhavami Atma Maya, as Bhagavan manifested here through internal energy, his Rupa has manifested through internal energy, the Nama is also manifesting. Cheto Darpanamarchanam Bhavamahadavagni Nirvapanam Shreya Kairava Chandrika Vitaranam Vidyavadhu Jivanam Anandambudivardhanam Pratipadam Purnamrita Swadanam Sarvatmasnapanam Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. When the internal energy is infused into us by Sri Harinam Prabhu, these are the changes that we perceive, starting from Chetodarpanamarchanam, starting from Krishna, 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 and Krishna, everywhere, inside out, all the time. That's Chetodarpanamarchanam. If that is Chetodarpanamarchanam, what's the rest? This is Nama Avatari Prabhu Sambhavami Atma Maya. Namna Makari Bahudang Nija Sarva Shaktis Tatrarpitani Amita Smaranena Kala Etatrishi Tava Kripa Bhagavan Mamapi Durtaiva Mitrishami Hajinina Anuraga. Hey Bhagavan, Shri Nama Rupa Avatari, very kindly give Anuraga, a great attachment, fond attachment to you, please. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So much of fond attachment that there is only attachment to you, and everything just fades as a background. Trinadapi Sunichena, Tarore Vasahishnunam, Amanina Manadina, Kirtaniya Sada Hari. When such great attachment is there for Nam Prabhu, then yasya asti bhaktir bhagavati akinchana sarvair gunair tatra samasate suraha. All the qualities, the divine qualities, all of them, they just come sit in the jiva, sit in us. Nadanam na janam na sundarim kavitam vajagadisha kamayim Mama janmani janmanishware bhavatat bhakti haitukitvai. What you want to do with this body is up to you, dear Lord. What life do you want to give next? Which body next? It's all up to you. All that I pray for is bhavatat bhakti haitukitvai. Like this, very kindly place me in the internal energy with this bhajan to you. That's all. Ayinanda tanuja kinkaram patitam mam vishamein bhavam buddhavu. Kripaya antava pada pankaja stita dhuli sadrisham vichintaya. Nanda tanuja Krishna very kindly places as saffron dust particles at your lotus feet. It is a Sri Guru and the rays of Sandhini Shakti that places as saffron dust particles at The lotus feet of Nanda Tanuja Krishna are giving us our Siddha Deha. And what happens in the Siddha Deha? When the bhajan is happening, Hari bhajan is happening. Nayanam galadashrudharaya vadanam gadyadaruddhaya gira. Ulakair nichitair vapukada tava nama krihane bhavishyati. What does this bhava lead to? Prema. Yugaitam nimishena chakshusha pravashyaitam. Shunyaitam jagat sarvam govinda virahe. Prema in Sambhoga and Vipralambha. Aslishya vapadaratam pinastumaham. Adarshanam marmahatam karotu vam. Yada tatha vidadhatau lampatu. Matprananathastu sayeva na paraha. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. That's our journey. Each one of us. That's our individual personal journey. Personal journey. Whoever hears or recites this Sri Sikshashtakam given by Sriman Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, their love and devotion for Krishna will increase day by day. Dhara Madhya Sarvasreshta Nama Sankirtana Niraparadham Nama Lele Aye Premadham Athayeva Nama Matra Vaishnavera Dharma Name Prasputita Hoile Rupa Guna Karma. This is our life. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद की जय। श्री हरिनाम प्रभु की जय। श्री शिक्षाष्टकम की जय। आचार्य भगवान की जय।